How are you?
Good, but Obama's stealing America's money and people's money, and he broke America's heart.
How did he
And
break America's heart?
because he was being bad and evil.
Oh, really? He was being evil?
Yeah.
How was he being evil?
Because the Nazis just didn't kill the little girl because she was going to school.
Oh, you mean the little girl that they shot in the head, the Muslims?
Yeah.
Yeah, because she was trying to go to school?
Yeah, but she didn't go to school.
Well, what did that have to do with Obama, though?
Obama just let people die.
That's true, huh?
And Mitt Romney, he's making people, Obama doesn't believe in God, and Mitt Romney is believing in God, and he protects everybody, and he protects America's heart.
That's right.
Bye.
Bye-bye.